Elephant and Friends. Once upon a time, a lone elephant was walking in the forest to make friends. He saw a monkey and asked, "Can you be my friend, monkey?" The monkey said, "You are too big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend." Then the elephant met a rabbit and asked, "Can you be my friend, rabbit?" The rabbit replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow, so I can't be your friend." The elephant went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. The frog said, "You are too big and heavy to jump like me, so I can't be your friend." The elephant asked some more animals he met on his way. He got the same answer, that he was too big. The elephant was so sad that he could not make friends. Next day, the elephant saw a hungry lion chasing all the animals to eat them. The elephant went up to the lion and said, "Please don't eat my friends, leave them." The hungry lion roared loudly and asked the elephant to move aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all her energy. The lion got injured and ran away. All the other animals saw the elephant saving them from the lion. They all went to the elephant and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe and like it.